English speaking course.
Learning English doesn't have to be difficult.
Do you want to listen and understand conversations more easily?
Or maybe you want to improve your pronunciation and speak naturally. If that sounds like you, then stay with us. In today's lesson, we'll use an interesting story to help you learn.
You'll practice common phrases, pronunciation, and real-life expressions.
Let's begin. This recipe calls for 2 eggs and flour.
Are you sure you know what you're doing?
Relax. I watched like 3 YouTube videos.
That doesn't make you a chef.
I didn't say chef, but I do know how to make pancakes.
Great. So what do we need?
This recipe calls for 2 eggs and flour.
That's it?
And milk and sugar and maybe baking powder.
Maybe.
Look, it's not rocket science. We can just mix it all up.
You forgot the butter again.
No, I didn't. It's still in the fridge.
I'll grab it. You turn on the stove.
How high?
Maybe you should watch that video for the 4th time?
I usually take a walk after dinner. Yo, did you watch that new show on Netflix last night? Nah, I passed out right after dinner. Too tired. Man, I don't know how you always crash so early. Because I work like a dog all day. You? I usually take a walk after dinner. Helps me digest. A walk? Like around the block or what? Yeah, just a chill 20-minute walk. Sometimes with my dog. Oh, that's why your dog looks happier than me. Dude, fresh air helps clear my head. I tried walking once. Got 2 blocks, saw a taco truck, and gave up. That sounds about right. Did you at least walk back home? Barely. I called my cousin to pick me up. Lazy bum. It's called energy saving mode, thank you.
Could you send me the information by email? Hey, did you get the flyer from the kids' school? What flyer? I didn't see anything in my son's backpack. Ugh, it's about the field trip next week. They sent it as a hard copy again. Seriously? It's 2025. Just email it already. I know, right? Anyway, I took a pic of it. Do you want me to send it? Yeah, please. Could you send me the information by email? Or I can send it via Messenger. Isn't that quicker? I'd rather just keep tabs on my kids' stuff through email. It's simpler to stay on top of things that way. Sure, but don't yell if it's sideways. Still better than grilling my son about the flyer's whereabouts. We should meet for coffee sometime. Hey, long time no see.
Huh?
Amy, whoa, I haven't seen you in ages. I know, right? What's up? Are you doing some grocery shopping? Just grabbing some snacks. Movie night tonight. Sweet. I'm here to grab some milk. Anything good lined up? Probably some cheesy rom-com. Don't judge. No judgment here. But hey, how's life been? Oh, you know, good. Are you still living in the neighborhood? Yep, still. I live just a couple blocks over. And you come all the way here for milk. Seriously, I'm always walking over there for milk. It's a never-ending thing. I hear you. They really do have the best milk. Totally. Their almond milk is the best. My coffee just isn't the same without it. Oh, do you use almond milk in your coffee? Yeah, well, surprise. I'm a vegetarian now. Cool. What made you decide to go veggie? It's kind of a long story. Maybe I'll tell you sometime when we have more time. We should meet for coffee sometime. For sure. I need someone to vent about work to. Ha, I'm your girl. Got plenty of my own work drama. Okay, let's make it happen. Are you free this weekend? Does Saturday morning work for you? Like around 10? Perfect. I'll shoot you a text. Still the same digits? Yep, still. Just, maybe not at 6 in the morning this time.
Hey, don't leave yet.
We see you reaching for that skip button.
Stay till the end. It's worth it.
Trust us, your English will thank you.
Please let me know when you arrive. Babe, are you still picking me up from the airport tomorrow?
Of course, honey. I wrote it down. 6:45 in the evening, right?
Close enough. 6:45 in the morning.
Oh, okay. Got it. No worries.
I mean, I'm kind of worried though. Last time you were like an hour late.
Not my fault you married a goldfish. Just kidding. I swear, this time I won't forget. Seriously.
Yeah, I'll believe it when I see it. Fingers crossed over here.
To be fair, traffic was insane last time.
Yeah, well, maybe leaving earlier would have helped. You know how bad it always is.
I will this time, I promise.
All right, just don't flake on me again. And please let me know when you arrive. I don't want to stand around like a lost kid again.
Got it. I'll text you when I pull in.
Or call. It's better that way.
Got it. See you tomorrow.
Yeah, see you. Could you please turn down the volume? Dude, this song is fire. Listen to that beat. I hear it. My walls hear it. My cat hears it. Come on, it's Friday night. Yeah, and I still have to wake up at 6 a.m. Why? It's the weekend. My mum's coming over. Gotta clean up the mess you made. What mess? The pizza box mountain and the socks on the TV. All right. I'll clean up later. But seriously, could you please turn down the volume? Fine, but just one notch. More than one. My ears are ringing. Okay. I'll put on headphones. Happy? Yes, now I won't go deaf by 30. You're just being dramatic. Just keeping it real. The restaurant just opened last month.
Hey, want to try a new spot for lunch today?
Sure, I'm tired of the same old sandwich place.
There's a new Korean spot near my gym. Heard it's pretty good.
Oh yeah? What's it called?
Kimchi Kingdom. Cute, right?
That sounds spicy.
You'll survive.
But does it have good reviews? I don't want to blow my lunch on some crummy spot.
I don't think there are any reviews yet. The restaurant just opened last month.
So, we're the guinea pigs?
I guess.
Nah, I'm good. Let's just grab burgers instead.
Ha! You've got no sense of adventure.
I'd rather save that for another day. Better safe than sorry. Remember to bring your umbrella tomorrow.
Honey, did you check the weather for tomorrow?
Nope. Why? Is it going to be hot again?
Nope. It's gonna pour.
Ugh, great. I just washed my car.
That's why I never wash mine. Nature does it for free.
Yeah, but nature also adds bird poop.
Fair point. Anyway, remember to bring your umbrella tomorrow.
I don't even know where it is.
Probably hiding behind your winter coat, like always.
I love how you always know exactly where I leave my stuff.
I do, don't I? You definitely hit the jackpot marrying me.
Thank you for your help with the project.
Hey, did you finally turn in the project?
Yep, hit submit 5 minutes before the deadline.
Cool. Cutting it close as always.
That's how I live, dangerously and with caffeine.
Well, honestly, it looked good in the end.
Yeah, thank you for your help with the project. I was about to send in that messy draft.
Please don't remind me. I had to fix so many typos.
I type fast, okay? I don't stop to proofread.
Well, you should. At least from now on. I can't keep proofreading everything for you.
Even if I'd buy you tacos and beer?
Even if you buy me tacos and beer.
All right, I'll be more careful next time.
Don't forget to practice your English every day to improve your English level. Watch the video for 1 week. Try to think and speak in English every time. Listen and repeat the lesson out loud to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, share, and comment. Click here for more useful videos.